How to share Google Drive files and folders with a link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Google Drive on a device. Now tap on Files at the bottom right corner. Now open up your folder. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on Manage Access. Now tap on Restricted. Tap on Restricted and select anyone with the link. Now tap on the link icon at the top right corner. Now once you copy the link, go back to the home screen. Now share it with your friends, open up your Messenger or WhatsApp and send the link. Now to share the files, tap on three dots. Now tap on Manage Access. Now tap on anyone with the link. Now select anyone with the link and tap on the link icon and repeat the same process, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.